What's up, friends? It's Fletch. I'll get my 90-day challenge going for the third round. Day one. Finished my last one on Will's birthday, October 24th. Finished it pretty well. Got my body fat down to 25.4, which for you smaller folks, you say, hey, Fletch, you're still fat. I know. That's why I'm out here running right now. I trained for 5K. Fat guys don't run in those. That's why it's fat. And Christy and I are running our first one this Saturday. Running another one the following weekend. So excited about it. As you can tell, I'm still breathing heavy. But I'm on about mile 3 right now. Gonna go about 4.5 tonight. Goals for this go around is get that body fat somewhere closer to maybe 20%. I should have done my research to find out if that's even possible. Not really sure. I'm gonna hit a lot of cardio, a lot of weights, reduce the carbs. Obviously have my 2 shakes a day. So, hey, keep following me, push me, encourage me. I appreciate it. I wish all of you guys luck on your 90-day challenges, and I'd love to hear more about them. Take care, guys. God bless.